Today. So today we shall continue on candlestick patterns. And the previous day we learned about the simple candlestick patterns, and today we shall be going into the shall be looking forward to learning the complex patterns. I hope we've actually checked some of our charts and then we've tried to figure out some of these simple ones that we taught yesterday. So let's start from here today. Let's start from the bearish Arami. The bearish Arami, as you can, as the name implies, bearish. You should know that it has to signify something relating to what? Selling. Okay, then you're going to have something. You're going to have the wicks. You're going to have the wicks like this. Okay. And then a red candle at the middle. This guy, it's actually good to know what are these candlesticks, what are they saying in the market, because it really helps you to understand the communication that they are trying to pass across to anyone, to understand what is it that is saying. Whenever you see this is a bearish movement in the market, it's signifying a bearish movement in the market, as the name implies. So let me proceed to the second one. We have the bearish. Arami cross. Bearish Arami cross goes this way. You have a buying candle as well. This actually works as a major reversal in the market. Okay, let me just pick this and then change the color because it's actually going to be green. Some actually have a principle of which they have to follow. So we have something like this nature. If you check the chart very well, you're going to see all of these candlesticks that I'm mentioning to you. So this signifies what? A major reversal. It signifies a major reversal in the market wherever you see it. And then let's go to another one. Bearish trade, now say method. Formulation. And whenever you say this, it's going to be something of this nature. Not something, guys, it's not as if this is going to be the actual way I've actually draw this. No, it's not going to be this actual way I've drawn it, but it's going to be so similar, so similar, because all these candlesticks are being formed based on what the price in the market is saying at the present moment, right? So it's not as if it's going to be actual way that I've actually drawn it for you, but there's going to be a lot of similarities in there, which is going to let you know that, oh, okay, this is what this looks like, this is what this is, and go on and so on and so forth. And again, you're going to have, I'm actually going to change some of this color because this is supposed to be a green candle. Okay, I know we should have understand the fact that a green candle goes up while the red goes down based on the color you actually give it, but I'm very sure that no one is going to give a selling candle green. No matter what, you can't give a selling candle green. And then we have the smallest one here at the top. very small one. Sometimes it might be smaller than this, but I'm pretty sure you're going to see how small it is on your charts wherever you look closely. And then you have this large red candle again, showing a selling momentum in the market. Momentum is where the market is going, you know, the direction of the market. And that means the selling momentum means what? It's mean a bearish. It's going bearish. The market is going what? It's going to the downside. So again, let's look at we have the bullish 3 method formulation as well. It's not formulation, sorry. This is actually formation. Sorry about that, guys. So we have the bearish trade. Formation, okay. So just know that we have something of this nature as well. The same opposite of this. I would actually just like to draw this faster, okay. We have the first one, we have the second one, and we have the third one, which is the smallest one, and then we have another candle here. Okay, so good. Now that I've drawn it, then I'm going to can I move this? Actually, I'm not sure if I can move this. Oh, I can move this, and I have to draw again. I have to draw it again, guys, sorry, because I thought I can actually move it, so I'll just move it to where I'm going. Was two, nothing bad. Okay, so we are going to have this as a what? As a green candle in bullish 3 method formation. We're going to have this as a green candle, while you have this as the red, and then the wicks, don't forget there's going to be wicks on the both side. The wicks can vary, actually. It can be longer at the bottom, shorter, depends on the bias of the market, at the present price of what is happening in the market at that moment. So it's not as if we are actually perfect in drawing the wicks, because the communication that is happening within both the buyers and the sellers is going to be the one to tell us how the wicks are going to be in the market. It's going to be the one to tell us what are the things that is going to, you know, form these candles. They'll be the one to let us know. Then we have these. So wherever you see these, it's telling you that the market is going to continue in a bullish way. So let me write it here as bearish continuation. Bearish continuation. And we have this as what? As the bullish continuation. Okay, please guys, please try to follow up all I'm teaching, because by the time we go into trading the market and then we see all these signs, and then like top down analysis and some other things, and we're trying to figure out what the market is saying, where the market is going, we're going to be using holidays as a way to analyze the market. So it's actually better you learn and then you understand all what this is saying, so that it's going to be of great help for us. And then again, we have the bullish Arami. You know, previously we have the what? We have the bearish Arami. So now we have the bullish Arami. So this is going to be red. Let me just give it a name first before I start anything. We have the bullish Arami right here, and then we have the wicks as usual. Don't forget, the wick is just like the buyers bought up, sellers sold back. oversold and the buyer bought back up again. That is why we always have the wicks in the market, and it's very essential because we do use them as confirmations as well, that when a candle form a wick, in some cases of impulse entry, even as conservative entry, because we are not yet get to that, but when time comes and and you're following up, you're going to understand how it moves and how it works in the market. So it's really going to help you. So this is just a bullish pattern. Wherever you see it in the market, it's a bullish pattern. It's telling you that the market is going to be bullish, telling you that the market is going to be so bullish. Okay, then we have another one. We have the dark cloud cover. Let me just put it here. Don't forget, guys, I'm only giving you this certain candlestick patterns, the one that I know that we are going to be using, like for horse, what we are going to be using, because we have a lot of candlestick out there. We can learn it all. Only if you have the interest to learn candlestick patterns on your own, and then you can go out there and then start learning everything that you want to learn. It's as if, okay, we're going to start learning how candlestick here. No, because all these candlestick have been formed by Japan, by the Japanese people, in the way in the market. So it's not as if we're going to start learning how candlestick here. No, if you want to learn it, you're free to do that in your free time, if you know you can do that. So, and it's actually going to help you more. But don't forget, too much of knowledge in forex is dangerous. It's a major reversal in the market. It's a major reversal. Wherever you see it at the top of the market, know that there's going to be there's going to be a bearish reversal in the market. Market is going to go down because this is showing a very large selling momentum. The market has been bullish, then the market is starting bearish now. It's going to show a very large selling momentum. Selling momentum in the market. This is what is going to signify wherever you see it in the market. And then, sorry, let me put in my wicks, and then let me complete the drawing of this as well. Because like the other day when I was explaining how this candlestick formation works, here you can understand something, and this is what you can understand. Let me tell you what you can understand here is that the market start buying from here to here, seller sold back, took another position, bought up, start selling back, showing a very bearish momentum. And then after this, what you can ever expect in this kind of market is that what? There's another large sell. It will start showing something like 3 black crowds. It's another candle on its own. 3 black crowds is a complex candle on its own, something like this. Very large selling momentum in the market. Something like this start appearing. Just follow up, okay? So that cloud cover works this way. We have the engulfing candle. It's very important to know what engulfing is saying. Okay, let me just put it as engulfing bearish. So once you know the name, you can easily suggest what it means, knowing that bearish is selling while bullish is buying. Okay, guys, so we have this as these. Remember, these are not the perfect drawing here. We're just trying to make a vivid explanations. You can actually Google it out, all of these names, and you're going to see the perfect explanation. But still, and you're going to see the perfect drawing. Sorry. But still, it doesn't mean that you're going to find any perfect drawing out there. It's just going to be an example of what can look like this. What can actually look like this is what you can find. You can find like the exact picture of what it's going to look like, but most importantly, you can find something that is going to look like this on your chart when you're trading, which is very important to take notice of. And this is a major reversal sign. When you see that the top is a major reversal sign, like when the market is going coming from the downside, and you see this engulfing bearish line here, just know that the market is going to go to the downside. This is a basic principle of what you need to know. The market will go to the downside. It is important for the market to go to the downside. It is a must. It is a must. Okay, guys. So let's go to the engulfing bullish line. Okay. So the engulfing bullish line, you should know that is a different opposite of this. Engulfing bullish line is just the same opposite different of the engulfing bearish line, which signifies that you are going to have a red candle here with your wicks as usual. Sorry, my drawing might not be perfect. I'm trying. And then another light candle here, which is going to be a green candle actually. Okay. Then I'm going to have my wicks as usual. This is telling you that there's going to be a major reversal whenever you sit at the bottom. A major reversal. This happens at the top. Major reversal at the top. Let me just put it here. Why this happen as a major reversal at the bottom and in the market, wherever you see this in the market, this happens as a major reversal at the bottom. So this signifies that the market is going to go to the upside, and why from here the market is going to go to the downside. So let's go on to evening doji star. I actually want us to go to the evening doji star, but still I'm thinking of first we need to understand this. The understanding of this is very, very important. We need to understand this. We need to get the actual fact of how this works, of when you see it in the market, how you are going to understand it, how you're going to easily get what it is all saying in the market. Learn this as first. So the tomorrow we're going to continue about the complex pattern, because I don't like this video. I won't like it to be so long for her to easily understand it. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 complex patterns, please first learn it, understand it, check your chart. You're going to see it all there. They're all there in your chart. They're all there in your chart. So you can easily find it out, and then you see how it works. You see what happens wherever you find this kind of candle. Maybe like I found this now, the bearish Arami, and it's just a bearish movement in the market, which means a selling momentum. Wherever I find it in my charts, what happened next? You have to look into this. What is the thing that happens next in the market? What really happened next in the market is one of the things you actually have to take notice of. Wherever you find this in the market, like bearish 3 method formation, what happens next is supposed to be a bearish continuation in the market. So is it true? Is it not true? You're going to look at your chart, and then you're actually going to figure out the truth about it, which is actually truth. Okay, so please guys, just learn. Again, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you very much. If you have any question, message me. You can also use the chat box to ask any question. I'm going to attend to it as soon as possible. Love you all guys.